going to show you how to make a cog, and for this task you're going to need to become pretty good with the rotation tool and also the array process, creating arrays. So step one, take the circle shape, lay it down on the origin and drag it along the green axis. Zoom in a little bit. You're going to want to set the circle so the midpoint between one of the sections exists and is laid on top of the green axis. So I'm going to select the perimeter, take the rotate tool, move it to a midpoint, click once, and then hover over the green axis. Then select the 2-point arc, move it to the side of one of the segments and then the opposite, and move up the 2-point arc until you see half circle indicated by the Sketchup software. What you can then do is select the half circle you just created, select the rotate tool, click once on the right side of your 2-point arc, hold down Option to create a copy, and rotate the arc so it touches the perimeter of the circle once again. So you have this waving wave pattern between the two circles. Select the two half circles that you've laid down, clicking on them with the arrow so they turn blue. You'll have to hold down Shift so you can select multiple objects. Then rotate these two lines around the center point, like so. Create a copy by holding down Option, click once, and then move it so you connect both the endpoints between the two wave shapes together. Before clicking one more time so that this blue color disappears, you want to type in X11 to create an array around the perimeter of your circle. Next thing you need to do in order to create your cog is take the circle tool, click once in the origin, and drag up the circle all the way up to the endpoint along the green axis. When you click, the whole cog itself should turn gray. What you can then do is take the eraser tool and start deleting some unnecessary lines, such as these, including the perimeter, and you can see that as I delete lines, the form of the cog starts to appear. So here's my wonderful cog with all the unnecessary lines removed. Final step is to take the push-pull tool, highlight the gray portion, click once, and then drag it up to whatever height you'd like for your cog. And that's how you create a cog in SketchUp.